and the wonderful Django.
Whoa!
The American Red Prominence Steer and a fire hoop. I tell you what, he travels better than a quarter horse. There you go, right to the fire. I want you to look at this man right now from Louisiana with so much history and so much love for the bovine. Horses are equine, bulls and steers and cows. Well, they're the bovine. Easy does it, big fella. Now it's very unusual to lay one down on his side. How about that? What's he gonna do now? Very unusual for a steer to lay down on his side. There's a whip and a fire. One more time. Boom. There it goes. Now he's coming to his feet. How about it? Dear blindfolds, how about that? I mean, he's broke the ride. But right now, we're going to go to the pedestal. I love this part. To the end of the trail, like the famous statue in Oklahoma City, to encompass world peace and meritocracy of a nation that was once divided. Is that beautiful or not? That'll give you cold chills. Kind of like straight out of Lonesome Dove. Now, what are we going to do? We make a remount. I guarantee you this steer's got a rein on him. 1,700 pounds of American Red Prominence. What's he going to do with him? Here's how you load him up. Go back to Louisiana. Oh, wait a minute. I'm not through. He's not through. Watch this massive trailer come back around. All hydraulic. He will reposition himself in actually very dangerous maneuver here tonight. Hydraulic lift will catapult him some 20 feet in the air on top of Django, the 1,700-pound American Red Prominence steer. Slowly but surely. Here is where you can't have a mistake. There can be possible. There he is aboard, 20 feet in the air. Little trick roping right now, little butterfly. Coming around the shoulder roll, flat spin, back around. He speeds it up, he slows it down. Watch him think the slack of that blue. Coming around. That's a hot pepper right there, baby. Hot pepper. What's he gonna do? Flat spin, round the body. There he is. Now, we got a steer on a hydraulic lift. A steer that he has to have confidence in, or else you'll get killed. Oh, look at here. The balls are fired. The balls are fired for the unity in our nation. Oh, 20 feet in the air. Ladies and gentlemen, he is an American hero. I give it to you tonight. He is a hero to the kids, all of us tonight, on America's God's country.
He's good around the first one. Good looking buckskin horse right here. Time to give it head. I'm going to knock the barrel down. Kind of like the breakaway. If you're knocking barrels down, you're going for first. About like the barrier. 1603 plus 5 for the barrel. 2103. Probably not going to get no money, but we sure appreciate her coming to Comal County. Here she comes, riding the sorrel. Got a good start. Got 2 more to go. One more. We got a 1624. Gonna put her in first place. Here she goes, wide open. I mean, she's going for the win right here. Tyler been really running. We got a 1619. Got a new number 1. Chris Griffin, our next to go right here. These horses get pretty salty back there, you know, they really want to run. Kind of here at the end of the season, they've been doing it all year long. Good first girl going. Got a nice flowery shirt.
Woohoo!
Hey, Jiro! Yeah! Gonna put her in 3rd place, unofficial, 1678. We got Stacy Grimes. Going to be the last one before the drag.
All right, she won here in 2016 with a 1597. She's placed here more than anybody.
She's won here before. Come on, New Bronzos. Tell her
Come on! You got
she's
it!
running a good pattern right here.
Woohoo!
Got a clean run. 1696. Gonna put her in 4th place. We're gonna do a drag. We got Callie McCall. She's chasing the leader, 1619. Here she comes. Got a good start. 2 more times.
Oh.
That's okay. Y'all give her a hand. As she leads.
$16.23 plus 5. Ken Monahan, North South Texas.